Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a job application management portal that is created by using the PHP and MySQL. Within this system, you can manage your company job applications seamlessly, digitally, and how you can utilize this system and how you can download this source code free of cost. Please watch this video. By the end of this video, I will tell you how you can grab this free of cost. So this is a dashboard where you can take the overview of the complete system like the total applications, active candidates, and average days to join. And if you want to refresh your data, you can simply utilize this refresh button. And if you want to search any candidate, you can simply search it from here. And also on the dashboard, you can apply the filter in stages and the statuses. Let's take example that is our screening and that is our on hold. So the dashboard will show data according to these two particular filters. And if you want to clear filters, just simply click on this clear filters and that's all. Now let's move to the application sections. What is application section here? Admin can able to see the complete applications of the company, but the user can only able to see their assigned applications. Okay. So if you want to add a new application, just simply click on this new application. You need to enter the candidate name, the candidate email ID here. Okay. You understand them? Yes, you understand them. And that is your contact number. That is your nationality, that is your current location, whatever you want to add. So that is the role for your the graphic, graphic graphic, and that is the department is your IT, etc. Whatever you want to add them, that is your experience 3, the expected salary, what you want to add them, you can simply add them. Academic qualification, you can simply choose it here, multiple options. Technical qualifications and how you can add this in the drop down, I will tell you by the I will tell you later on in this video. Select stage, there is a question in your mind how you can add different pipeline stages as per your company need. I will also explain you. So first of all, I am just selected here the applied, and that is the status, and how you can add more statuses in the drop down, I will also explain you. So this is a unassigned or admin user because right now I don't have any user. And how you can create a user, just simply go to your user sections and create a user, and then simply you can assign to them. This is a applied date, and that is our joining date, and this is our next to action. What is the next to action? That is our schedule interview. What you want to add them, simply add it here, and that is your next action date. So this is simply your notes, what you want to add them. And if you want to add CV resume, you can just simply select it here, anything what you want to add them, and click on this save. So when you click on this save, your application is created out successfully. And later on, if you want to add more documents, you can simply add the documents for this particular user. And if you want to see this, you can simply see it from here, I think the preview. And if you want to view this particular application, you can simply view this. And if you want to take a print and send to and give to the your employee, you can simply take a print from here and simply make it close. And if you want to edit your data, you can simply edit from here. And also if you want to delete this particular application, you can delete it. So there is a stage is drop down as well, where you can apply the filters and also the statuses in, and also the IT departments, also the departments, not the IT departments. And how the department will comes here whenever you add a new application, what department you will add it here, that will be automatically comes here. But these stages or status will not be like that. For that, you need to go to your stages sections, and in the pipeline you can add new stages. Okay, so this is your pipeline, and in the statuses section you can add a new status section as well. So you can easily able to see here, that is our pipeline view, where you can see that is our actually a Kanban board. And for example, this is a person is applied and now it is in the screening section. You can simply drag and drop them, and if it is shortlisted, you can simply make it shortlisted. So this will make your workflow very seamlessly and easy. And this is your calendar, where you can take the overview of the current month actions. In the sidebar, on the Friday April 10 candidate 8 initial screening call, on the Friday April 10 demo schedules, and etc, something like that. So this is our user sections where you can add user, edit user, or update user, or delete the users. In the my account section, go to your settings sections, and here the profile image upload. So this is exactly the same thing what I have mentioned in my previous videos. Okay, so if you want to host this project locally on your system, within your system, you can watch this video. I have explained everything step by step and how you can install it on your local system. If you want to host it on your hostinger or any cPanel server, utilize this video. And if you want to enable the SMTP server configuration, you can utilize this video for enable the email OTP verifications, email notifications as well. So this is your technical skills management. In the drop down, if I make it restore, I just simply make it restore like HTML, JavaScript, and etc. And if you want to add more skills, you can simply utilize this. And after that, you can simply make it save setting. So this is a my profile section where each user can able to change the profile colors, the dashboard colors as per their own happiness. For example, there is some lady in your organization, they only like the purple or the pink color. Just simply select it here and click on the save theme setting. So this is only implemented to that particular employee, not to the whole organization. So this is a feature every person can choose a color scheme as per their own happiness, as per their own needs. So this is the activity log where you can take the complete activity details of your system, but the user can only able to see their own. And if you want to enable the dark mode, light mode, you can simply utilize this feature. And if you want to log out, so this is your login screen where you need to enter your data. Okay, so this is the thing what you want to do and how you can set up and set up this on your system. Watch these particular videos so you will be successfully set up this video in front of on your system, because my all the projects what I have made in PHP or MySQL is configurable by these three particular videos. So we thank you very much, take care, we will meet you in our next video. I hope you like this free source of code. So the link is available in the description. Just go and verify your subscription and download it. Thank you very much, take care.